Okay, so welcome to the vlog and this very sunny and nice Sunday afternoon here in Beijing. I'm at the 798 Art District here in Beijing. Really cool area actually. It's kind of remodeled or no, repurposed area. I think it was a lot of factories around here, warehouses. You have all these brick buildings and there's a lot of very cool art and artsies, galleries, restaurants, shops. So I'm gonna walk around here and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some really cool spots. So let's see. Already now in the background I spotted some nice restaurants. I'm sure there's a lot of more stuff here. I've actually went for a 2-hour walk this morning, so I'm at 18,000 steps already. And then I only had kind of 2 apples and a protein shake in the morning and 2 slices of bread. And then actually I made omelette with 2 eggs and 10 egg whites. So I'm actually only at like 1,000 calories so far and it's like 3 p.m. So I have a lot of room to eat something, we'll see. Maybe some noodles, but I might grab a coffee first. That looks attractive. Let's get a coffee. Okay, so let's try this coffee. It looks really nice here. I got this small biscuit, not the healthiest, but of course it's okay if you've been out walking, so I'm gonna try. Smells real nice. And they also have some very pricey art here, 55,000 for one, but I'm not allowed to film that, but I'm gonna enjoy this now, relax a bit and then keep on walking. I definitely feel energized after that coffee. There's a lot of cool places here. Jungle Bistro and Diner, a lot of cool, interesting cuisines around there. Definitely a place you can go to, I guess, almost like every weekend if you have time and explore new spots. And I've just been on this small area here. There are so many more areas or districts here to walk around and explore, and so I'm gonna see what we can find. There are definitely some pretty interesting places here. Just notice this entrance here. It says dress code cyber tribal. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I don't think it's this, so that has to wait for another time. I actually came in the summer earlier. It's a lot of really nice places here, like ice cream and things, so you know, in the summer I'm sure this place must be packed. So I'm definitely gonna come back later when it's nicer, but it's just so nice to walk around here. Definitely have to come back many times and explore all this stuff here. I feel like some sort of spicy food. We'll see what we'll find later. Some traditional Beijing cuisine. That looks nice. The chefs are sitting there chilling. That food looks nice, but I think I'll have to wait. I'm gonna find something slightly smaller for today. Yeah, you rarely see graffiti actually in China, but here it's kind of encouraged. You see it everywhere on the walls here in the background. It's pretty cool actually, and some interesting dinosaurs and this big chimney in the background. Actually reminds me a bit about what you can see in Shanghai. It's also like a power station. They've changed the power station of art, really cool as well. Maybe I'll show that in another video, but I really like the vibe here, that's for sure. Let's see if we can find some noodles. I'm starting to get hungry. Here we have some of these traditional candies that I tried in another video when I was exploring the hutons in Beijing. But it's a lot of sugar. I'm gonna save those carbs for something else. Here's some Thai food as well, I think, but I'm gonna skip that for now. Yeah, I definitely dig the vibes here. This 798 Art Center. It's a really cool spot. And here's some nice bamboo, kind of fusion of the old and the new. I definitely gonna come back and spend some more weekends here, that is for sure. It's very dynamic, the different vibes here. And then you have this chimney, as I mentioned in the background. It's like red. Really nice weather. I think in the summer it's gonna be really nice. So yeah, let's see what we can find here. I want to continue walking. Here you can definitely see some of the more industrial vibes and the old heritage here. Really cool here actually. Quite unique space, that is for sure. Now this is definitely something modern. NFTs, for those of you who know what that is. It's been the craze lately. Basically you have art on the blockchain to make sure it's authentic. That is quite interesting. Let me know if you have that where you live. I have never seen that before, but actually seen quite a few places here already. That is quite interesting indeed. Here we have a bit of a more international vibe here. Iran. A lot of cool international influences here as well. Really cool. You can definitely spend a lot of days walking around here. Get the Persian carpet next to it. Really nice. Now this is pretty interesting framing here. One of those old telephone kiosks in front of this place. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure they're selling a lot of cool art. You can just walk around here forever. Really cool actually. I've only been here once before, but that's certainly a mistake. So I think I'm gonna spend a lot of time here going forward. Here we have some influence from Bahrain. A lot of cool collaborations here, it seems, between different countries. I wonder if we have Sweden somewhere. Yeah, I don't normally go out for brunches, but there seems to be quite a popular spot. A lot of really cool, cozy places for that. So maybe that should be a new weekend routine once I get to my fitness goals, but not until then. This also sounds like a pretty good combo. W cake and artwork. Looking at art while enjoying some cake. Yeah, I think there are worse ways to spend the weekend, but I'm looking for something else. A lot of quite inspiring things you see here. It's like a quote here. Do not be the next of anyone, be the first of you. Think about that one. Geek Park. Yeah, it's a lot of focusing on creative things here, programming and digital craft. It's really cool actually, walk around here. That's for sure. This is a pretty unique background, I can tell you that. This old area here, and then you have all these cool lanterns actually. I'm not sure if you can see here, right in the background. Really nice. Can I continue walking here, and you have the nice sun shining. Not too bad of a day to explore Beijing. Yeah, it's actually quite cold, as you can see. It's frozen here. Pretty interesting industrial background here. That's a pretty unique sighting. Very interesting. Okay, we're gonna walk into this old trains that are abandoned. Pretty cool actually. Let's see. I wonder how long they've been here. Definitely pretty unique framing here with the old trains, and you have these cranes. Quite empty with people here, but I assume it's a bit too cold for most people. It's like -degrees, so I can understand, but if you come in the summer, I'm sure it's gonna be really nice. It's pretty cool. You can see on the side, train going from Lanzhou to Beijing. That's quite some distance to cover. That must have taken a long time back in the day. The cafe and art space, and then you have this interesting thing on the wall here. Young and rich. The cafe. Give you all the beauty, something to do, something to love, something to hope for. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means exactly, but young and rich, that sounds interesting. Here we have another interesting combo. We have China and North Korea. Actually, it says Korean, Chosunhwa. That's North Korea in Korean. Interesting, you have some art in there. Maybe another time. So it seems that finally I might be in luck here. Paul Noodle. Not sure what that means, but let's go out and check it out. Ooh, pretty cozy here. Nice music. Yeah. Okay, so they do serve noodles. That is good. Yeah, you're outside, huh? I tried to ask for a menu, but then they asked me to scan this one, as you do in China, WeChat and Meituan. So I guess I'm gonna see what they have on the phone menu. Yeah, so this is how you order in China. You log in to Meituan or the app they tell you to log into, and then you just pick everything here. So very convenient, and then just arrives magically on the table. So I'm gonna go for this one, Hongshan Mian, also known as Chairman Mao's favorite, an all-time classic. Let's see if it's gonna look like that in reality. Time will tell. The good thing is you can actually pick some choices here, what type of noodles you want. So actually I picked the hand shredded noodles, not the standard ones. So they're gonna be thicker. I hope it's gonna be nice. Oh, I think we have the noodles incoming. It's looking good. So I got the noodles, as you can see, really nice here. Let's try it. Let's start with one of these tender meat pieces. Wow, that's too tender, I can't even pick it up. Nice, let's try it. Beef, wow, nice. That is some good stuff. Nice. Let's try the hand shredded noodles. I'm not sure if they're hand shredded, but looks nice. Really, really nice here. Let's try one of these veggies. That's nice. Okay, one last of these crazy nice beef tendon parts. Wow, really nice. Let's try it. That is good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off. Enjoy this very nice meal. I'll see you later. Okay, so as you could see, that clearly was a pretty amazing meal. Real nice way to end the day, and I got in 23,500 steps, so definitely not too bad. And I'm gonna jump on a bike now, like 7.5 kilometers to go back, but nice. The weather is really nice, as you can see, but pretty pretty nice day, I must say. I'm definitely gonna go back and eat some other things and explore those galleries maybe the coming weeks. Let me know if there are some other place you want me to, you know, check out. I definitely feel I'm starting to like Beijing more and more, you know, every weekend that goes, and especially when it gets warmer later. It's pretty cool, I must say, with all this background. So if you like this kind of content exploring, let me know, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.